Yep.
How many times would I need to guess the number of the dice with my back turned? Would it take you to be impressed?
Once I'd be impressed.
If I got it once, you'd be impressed?
For sure, yeah.
Do you want a red, white, or blue dice?
I'm blue.
So all I'm going to need to do is I'll get you to shake it, and then when I say drop it, I'll turn around. You drop it.
We're
Take
dancing.
a note of the number. And then once it's like hidden, I'm going to turn back and try and guess it.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
All right. So you chose blue, right?
Okay.
So shake it and tell me when I can turn back.
Hang on, I'll do it again.
Sure, you can do it
Are you
again.
happy with that number?
I'm happy with that number.
Put your hand on it.
Okay.
Don't move it. Put your hand on it.
Yeah.
Lovely. All right. So it's blue that you chose, right?
all around. Okay.
So I have a 1 in 6 chance of getting that right.
You certainly
You
do.
did say you'd be impressed if I got it right one time.
Yeah.
It's a 1, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because you just gave it away. That it would be a 1. All right.
Yeah.
But that could be too easy.
One time.
So you know what? How impressed would you be if we did it twice with 2 different dice?
Okay.
Choose 2 different dice.
2 different dice.
All right, pick them up, shake them, and you chose a red and a white, right? So I'm going to put the blue just here.
Yeah.
Tell me when I can turn around.
You can turn around.
Can I turn around? And it was a red and a
White.
red and white. Red and this is hard now.
Yeah.
So let's just focus on the red one for a moment. Keep your hand there, but I just want you to count from 1 to 6, very loud, very slow, all right? So just
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
say 4, then 5 again.
4, 5.
Say 3.
3,
Say 4.
4,
5.
5.
The red was a 4. Yes or no?
I don't know, I didn't see it.
You didn't see it. You didn't even know what it was. So just look at the red. Just look at the red.
Okay.
Was it a 4?
Yeah.
So take the red away. Take the red away. Leave the white one there.
I can short one. Oh, you want me to take a shot?
One more second. Okay.
So we got 1 left. It's the white one, right?
Yeah.
Did you see what the number was?
No, I didn't.
Look at the number. Have you got the number?
Yeah.
On the white one.
Yeah.
Can I turn around?
Yeah.
All right. So there's no way I can know. This is the white one, right?
Well, there's got to be a way you know, but I don't know how you do
So
it.
now this is the white one, and with your left hand, may I touch your hand for a moment?
Yeah.
Just put it on my palm, and now want me to get it right. Will me to get it right, and say after me, 1.
1.
So it's not 1. I say 2. It's not 2, is it? Okay. Say 3, 4, 5. 6, not 6, is it?
I like 6.
It's not 5. You might like it, but it's not. So it's either 3 or 4. 3 or 4. It's a 3, isn't it?
3 it is.
Thank you.
You're a legend. Love it. Man.